At HiKOKI, it is our belief that innovation never stops. With over 70 years of experience in developing Japanese technologies, we continuously strive for high-performance power tools. By using our strong and robust hammers, all jobs at the construction site will get finished. HiKOKI hammers, endless power. Thanks to our outstanding nailer technology, you can work efficiently, gasless, and without compressors. HiKOKI nailers, endless flexibility. And with our unique multi-volt battery platform, you can switch between 18-volt and 36-volt tools and work wherever you are. HiKOKI Multi-Volt, endless freedom. With technical knowledge, ergonomic design skills, and decades of experience, we're able to innovate each and every power tool and improve the performance of every professional. We are driven by technology. We are HiKOKI.